Xbox Mecha Break is taking over with free-to-play chaos. Top 35 on Xbox, top 50 on Steam. Ready to pilot your mech? Let's dive in. Welcome to GadInsider, your gaming news hotspot. Today we're unpacking Mecha Break's massive launch. Launched on July 1st, 2025, Mecha Break by Amazing Seasun Games is a free-to-play Xbox Series XS and PC exclusive, hitting PlayStation 5 later this year. This multiplayer mech battler hit 133,000 concurrent players on Steam and holds steady at 50,000 daily, ranking top 50 on Steam and top 35 on Xbox. Mecha Break throws you into 6 vs 6 PvP arenas with customizable battle mechs. Tune your mech's weapons, armor, and looks, then dive into fast-paced 5-minute matches. Expos praise the buttery smooth combat and deep customization, making every fight visually epic. With a 3.5-star Xbox store rating from 1,000+ reviews and a mixed Steam score from 16,000 users, players love the visuals and combat, but gripe about pricey skins and a grindy battle pass. Some want a full PvE mode, but the core action keeps fans hooked. Mecha Break's free-to-play model and 50,000 daily players showing its staying power. X-users call it a mech masterpiece despite flaws. And with anime plans teased, it's climbing the charts. This could be Xbox's next big hit. A PS5 version drops later in 2025, and developers are hinting at PvE updates and anime tie-ins. With patches addressing player feedback, Mecha Break's only getting bigger. Jump in now to join the mech frenzy. Will you customize a mech in Mecha Break? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more gaming scoops.